Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Scanner firmware supports mobile hotspots and you know the phone SSID and password. Turn on your phone hotspot, choose WPA2 and prefer 4 GHz if the scanner requires it. Power the scanner and open its network or Wi-Fi settings to start pairing. Once done, select Add Network or Connect. You will type the SSID and password exactly, because hotspots are case-sensitive. Make sure to keep the phone nearby to accept connection prompts or confirm tethering. Next, you enter the credentials into the scanner interface. Type the SSID and password carefully, noting capitalization and special characters, since mistakes prevent connection. Then choose the authentication method. Select WPA2 Personal or WPA2 PSK as supported by both devices. Once selected, confirm network addressing. Leave DHCP enabled for automatic IP allocation. Switch to static only if you have the correct IP, gateway, and DNS. To finish, confirm the scanner reports connected and perform a quick test. Send a scan or ping to ensure data flows. If it fails, reboot the phone hotspot and the scanner or toggle airplane mode on the phone to reset tethering. Once done, re-enter credentials exactly and try again. Make sure the hotspot band and security match scanner requirements. If problems persist, update scanner firmware or switch the hotspot to 4 GHz, because many scanners cannot use 5 GHz. This resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.